Gamers are about to turn their backs on NVIDIA, and the company knows exactly what it has to do to save themselves and did the opposite. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. NVIDIA has introduced a series of GeForce Trading Cards with 14 possible designs, which it says represents GeForce PC gaming's great moments at a time when gamers have soured on the company. The GPU maker has been prioritizing its AI customers lately by manufacturing more products for data centers, because the AI industry has caused massive memory shortages across the board. According to reports, NVIDIA isn't expected to launch its next set of consumer-facing GPUs for gamers until 2027. While the card's launch was pretty badly timed, at least the company isn't selling them. They're more promotional materials than collectibles people can purchase. The company says it's giving them away through its Summer of RTX giveaways on GeForce social channels, as well as at select summer gaming shows and community events, including Bilibili World 2026, QuakeCon 2026, and Gamescom 2026. At in-person events, customers can head to the company's booth to ask about the cards. Based on the company's announcement, this is just the first series of its trading cards, indicating that it's looking to release more in the future. Series 1 designs include those that feature the NV1, NVIDIA's first mainstream multimedia processor, as well as GeForce 256, the world's first GPU. So while NVIDIA feeds the AI-hungry data centers, gamers will have to wait a bit more for these cards to roll out. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.